Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply DTF prints on sleeves and places which were, I want to say, impossible in the past. I'm going to show you guys what you need and how to do it. So the first thing I want you guys to do is print out your sheet. Once your sheet is printed out, do the usual, put the powder and then bake your sheet in the oven. Once that is done, we'll move on to the next step. Also, while you're waiting for this to prepare, you can also go ahead and put your hoodie or whatever you're printing on the sleeve, or a kind of weird placement which has a seam. I want you to place it on the heat press and align it how you want it. So for us, we're just going to pull this back a bit and we're going to be putting the sleeve print around here. So once your hoodie is actually placed, we're going to move on to the next step. What you're going to need, I'll have links in the description as always guys. You're going to need some Teflon pillows. Teflon pillows are really cheap, you can buy them on Amazon, and I want you guys to get a Teflon pillow that's pretty long but not that large. So I'll show you guys what we have right here. This is a big Teflon pillow guys. This is for bigger prints in the back or whatever you have seams. You can use a big Teflon pillow like this. For the sleeves guys, I suggest a Teflon pillow like this. I'll have a bundle which includes this Teflon pillow, a small one for smaller prints for polos, and also a big one for the back. So once you actually have your Teflon pillow, the next step is really straightforward. You just open up your hoodie or whatever you're printing on and you insert your Teflon pillow inside of the sleeve. So very slowly guys, we just do this, pretty straightforward. Now the Teflon pillow is inside. The next thing you want to do is just make sure your Teflon pillow is relatively straight so your print doesn't come out crooked. This is a suggestional step. You don't need to do this, like it doesn't have to be straight, but I prefer it because it's easier to align like this. So right now my Teflon pillow is straight. You can't really see it properly because it's green, but it's under there. So now, like I said, we're just gonna wait for the print to finish and then we're gonna be applying it on both of the sleeves. Alright guys, so the print is finished. We're just gonna cut it up and we're gonna put it on the sleeve. So for bigger prints, we have to do it with the scissors, unfortunately. I like to do it with a cutter usually because you have a more consistent, cut. But for this, we'll have to do it with the scissors. Like this, and then you just slide. Perfect. So, once you get to your hoodie, another thing you want to make sure, you don't want to put your print like this because the print is going to be reading up. Most of the cases, the print you want it to be reading down. So we're going to put the print like this. Our hoodie is facing this way, so it means that the print has to be coming down like this. But one thing you want to make sure also is that once you actually place your print, you're centered. You want it to be a bit more in the front. So what I like to do personally, you can do your own testing, is I like to put it around ½ an inch more towards the front. So it's actually going to be more visible when you're actually like facing people. So I just want to double check. I'll put it like this and I'll try to actually see how it would look once I'm using the hoodie. Alright guys, so once everything is placed in a line, put your Teflon sheet over and you want to press now for around 16 seconds for around 282 degrees Fahrenheit and medium pressure. Once you're actually using the Teflon pillow, you don't want to use the same pressure as you usually use. You can actually use lighter pressure since there's a pillow. So we're closing up. Once it's actually done, we're going to wait a few seconds and apply some pressure so it's easier to peel. Like this. Now you can use a thing like this. I showed you guys how to actually peel off your sheets. As so. You want to peel with confidence. There you go guys, and that's how you make a sleeve print. We just repressed it, and there you have it. Now, if you have to do this somewhere else, you just repeat, and that's pretty much it. Always make sure you use a Teflon pillow when you have seams, you're printing sleeves, polo, anything that has buttons or actual stitching, make sure you use that pillow. Link in the description guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.